Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to get the OneBlock SkyBlock world for Minecraft 1.2, 1.7 on your PC. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tech tips. Let's jump right in. Click the link in the description to download the OneBlock world. Find the 1.2, 1.7 game version, click the three dots and hit download file. It'll be ready in seconds. Drag the file to your desktop from your Downloads folder. Right-click the file and select Extract All to unzip it. Once done, delete the zip and open the new folder. Inside, you'll see the World folder. Minimize that folder, open your Minecraft launcher, and go to Installations. Hover over the 1.2, 1.7 release, click Open Installations folder, and find the Saves folder. If it's missing, create one named Saves. Drag the folder into Saves, then close everything. Launch Minecraft, go to Single Player, and look for OneBlock 1.2, 1.7. Hit play to start your sky-high adventure. And that's it. You've successfully added the OneBlock SkyBlock world for Minecraft 1.2, 1.7. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.